Holyoke begins our team coverage of the voter ID controversy. Cody.
Charles and Carol, 4 weeks from now, voters will be at polling places like this one here at the Zeidler Building in downtown Milwaukee, but they will not need to bring their photo IDs to cast their ballots, at least not for now.
This is a great day.
Call it a temporary victory for groups like the NAACP and Voces de la Frontera. Dane County Judge David Flanagan ordered a pause to the voter ID policy, writing, Wisconsin now has the benefit and the burden of the single most restrictive voter eligibility law in the United States.
Judge Flanagan's decision was an affirmation of the sanctity of voting rights.
Flanagan argued irreparable harm is likely to occur in the absence of an injunction.
We make careful record of what's happening.
But state voting officials are now concerned with the harm and confusion the ruling may cause ahead of the April 3rd primary.
It does throw a tremendous wrench into what's going on right now because, the election is on the move.
Republicans aren't taking the news sitting down. Governor Walker's office says they'll likely appeal the ruling, responding, quote, requiring photo identification to vote is common sense. We require it to get a library card, cold medicine, and public assistance.
It is essentially a contemporary poll tax.
The groups who filed the suit understand there's a long way to go, but they're willing to keep fighting.
It's important that 70 people lost the right to vote on February 21st, and we don't want 700 to lose their vote on April 3rd.
Now, as of right now, the injunction would keep the voter ID law out of polling places until after the trial, which starts April 16th. But an appeal to that ruling could reverse that before then. On your side, live in downtown Milwaukee, Cody Holyoke, today's TMJ4.
And another question, Cody, what does this all mean for the city clerks and for the voters ahead of the election?
It's an interesting point Kevin Kennedy, the director of the GAB, brought up tonight is absentee voting. Many voters will go to the city clerk's office next week to try to grab some ballots ahead of the election. According to the GAB right now, they will not need their photo ID to collect those ballots.
Another interesting footnote. Cody Holyoke joining us live. Thank you very much.